Philippines since I left for my last match during the regular season. I had to go back because my dad's condition was really concerning during that time. I hope you guys understand. And on another note, my dad is now better and recovering. And I'm just spending my time with my loved ones. About season 17, I know that each team tried and worked as hard, but at the end of the day, there will always be a better team that will take home the victory. And that I believe RRQ will take its crown back in another season. Buat Kingdom, dan Gowil, Pa-AP, dan Gokyon, Maap, kami galulos di playoffs. Tapi terima kasih buat aku sebuah di RRQ Yoshi. Bye bye guys, Super Dan out.